how to contact Bybit customer support. If you are on Bybit and need help with your account or a transaction, then if you need assistance in any of those fields, Bybit offers several ways to contact its customer support. First of all, open the Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and sign into your account. Either way, once you're signed in, go to the top left and tap on your profile icon. Inside your profile section, click on the gear button at the top right. And now click on General. Inside the General tab, scroll down and click on Contact Support. Click on the Start Asking button at the bottom of the screen, and now you can easily talk to the 24/7 dedicated support. Describe any of your question and the bot will help you answer it, and the bot will help you with the required support. You can go ahead and type in your query in the box at the bottom of the screen and you'll get required help. So that's how you contact the customer support for Bybit. This is one of the easiest way, and that's how you easily contact Bybit customer support. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.